What if the pistol at your side wasn't just a tool, but a trusted companion? Something you could count on in moments where safety isn't optional but essential. Today, we're diving into a lineup of 12 outstanding CZ pistols, each crafted with precision, performance, and real-world reliability in mind. These aren't just firearms, they're trusted tools built for everyday carry, professional use, and everything in between. With their proven track record and smart design, CZ pistols stand out as serious contenders in any shooter's lineup. Whether you're putting together a collection, searching for a concealed carry option, or want a full-size sidearm for range days or home defense, these CZ pistols offer more than firepower. They offer peace of mind. So if you care about quality, reliability, and having the right tool when it truly matters, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of CZ pistols and find out which one deserves a spot in your safe. Number 12. CZ Shadow 2 Target. Introduced in late 2024, the CZ Shadow 2 Target is a precision shooter's dream, tailored for bullseye competitions. Available with either a 5-inch or 6-inch cold hammer forged barrel, it boasts a polished, hand-fitted barrel with a recessed target crown, ensuring exceptional accuracy. The single-action only trigger is fully adjustable for take-up, over travel, and pull weight, ranging from 1.3 to 3.8 pounds. Allowing shooters to fine-tune their experience. The steel frame features an enlarged undercut trigger guard and checkering on the front and back straps for enhanced grip. Weighing approximately 46.5 ounces, 5 inches, and 48.5 ounces, 6 inches, it comes with fully adjustable LPA target sights and G10 grips, making it a top choice for serious competitors. Number 11. CZ P07 Duty. For those who want a compact yet reliable handgun, the CZ P07 Duty delivers a smooth shooting experience. It features the well-known Omega trigger system, providing a lighter, crisper pull for improved accuracy. The modular design lets you switch between a decocker and a manual safety, allowing customization based on personal preference. With a polymer frame weighing 27.2 ounces, it stays lightweight while maintaining durability. The 7.2-inch overall length and 3.75-inch barrel make it a great option for concealed carry. Forward slide serrations help with easy handling, while the underbarrel rail allows the addition of lights or lasers for better visibility in low light conditions. Chambered in 9mm with a 15+1 round capacity, the P07 Duty is a solid choice for various shooting needs. Number 10. CZ P09 Nocturne. Introducing the CZ P09 Nocturne, a modern tactical pistol designed for precision, reliability, and suppressor-ready performance. This 9mm full-size handgun builds upon the legendary CZ P09, integrating advanced features for enhanced usability in low-light and stealth operations. With a 5.1-inch threaded barrel, the Nocturne is suppressor-ready straight out of the box, ensuring reduced muzzle blast and improved sound suppression. Its optic-ready slide allows seamless red dot installation, while the high-visibility fiber optic front sight ensures quick target acquisition. The polymer frame, with an aggressive grip texture, provides a secure hold, and interchangeable back straps offer a customized fit for every shooter. With a generous 19+1 capacity, a crisp DA/SA trigger, and an extended beaver tail for maximum control, whether you're running it suppressed or in its standard configuration, this pistol delivers uncompromising performance when it matters most. Number 9. CZ75 SP01 Shadow. The CZ75 SP01 Shadow isn't just another full-sized pistol, it's a perfect example of CZ's dedication to precision and dependability. Built with a solid all-steel frame, it feels incredibly balanced in the hand, helping absorb recoil and giving you rock-steady control with every shot. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it an extension of the shooter's hand. One of the standout features is its double-action and single-action trigger mechanism, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios. The pistol's accuracy is noteworthy, with users reporting consistent performance after thousands of rounds. The SP01 Shadow's durability and reliability make it a preferred choice for both competitive shooting and personal defense. Number 8. CZT-S2. The CZT-S2 targets competitive shooters with its exceptional precision and tailored ergonomics. Built on a solid steel frame, this model boasts a crisp single-action trigger and a longer sight radius, facilitated by a 5.23-inch barrel, making it a formidable contender in accuracy. The pistol's aggressive checkering and an extended magazine capacity of 20 rounds deliver sustained performance under competitive conditions, ensuring both comfort and confidence during rapid-fire sequences. Number 7. CZ P10S. The CZ P10S redefines the concept of a subcompact pistol with its exceptional ergonomics and shooting comfort. This model features a striker-fired mechanism, ensuring a consistent and light trigger pull that rivals the best in its class. With a 3.5-inch barrel and a compact frame, the P10S is incredibly easy to conceal. Yet its 12+1 round capacity does not compromise firepower. The grip is textured for secure handling, even in adverse conditions, and it includes interchangeable backstraps to accommodate different hand sizes. Number 6. CZ Shadow 2 Compact. Topping our list is the CZ Shadow 2 Compact, combining high-end performance with a sleek, compact design. The steel frame gives it a solid feel, reducing recoil and keeping shots smooth. At 33 ounces, it has the heft needed for stability while remaining easy to handle. With a 7.5-inch overall length and a 4-inch barrel, it brings the precision of the CZ Shadow series in a more compact form. The ergonomic grip naturally fits in the hand, making shooting comfortable and intuitive. Its double-action, single-action trigger is exceptionally smooth, providing consistent shots every time. Slide serrations ensure quick manipulation, adding to its ease of use. Whether for competitive shooting or self-defense, the Shadow 2 Compact stands out as a premium choice. Number 5. CZ75 P01 Omega. Versatile and built for reliability, the CZ75 P01 Omega is a modern take on a classic design. Weighing 28 ounces, it features a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to carry while maintaining strength. Its overall length of 7.2 inches and a 3.8-inch barrel provide a balance between portability and control. The Omega trigger system ensures a smooth double-action pull and a crisp single-action break, enhancing accuracy. A key feature is its interchangeable decocker and manual safety, allowing users to set it up to their preference. With a 14+1 capacity of 9mm, this compact CZ model delivers reliable performance without unnecessary bulk. Number 4. CZ75 SP01 Tactical. Taking the classic CZ75 design to the next level, the CZ75 SP01 Tactical is built for stability and accuracy. The steel frame adds weight, coming in at 40.5 ounces, which helps minimize recoil and allows for faster follow-up shots. With an overall length of 8.15 inches and a 4.6-inch barrel, it provides an extended sight radius for improved precision. Equipped with a decocker for added safety, this model ensures quick and reliable operation. The rubber grips enhance comfort, while the underbarrel rail allows for the attachment of tactical accessories. Chambered in 9mm with an 18+1 round capacity, the SP01 Tactical is a trusted option for home defense and professional use. Number 3. CZ P10F. For those seeking a full-sized pistol with high capacity and excellent control, the CZ P10F is a great pick. It boasts an ergonomic design for a comfortable grip, making it ideal for long shooting sessions. Weighing 28.2 ounces and measuring 8 inches in length, it offers a balanced feel without being too heavy. This model is chambered in 9mm and holds a generous 19+1 capacity, reducing the need for frequent reloads. The standout feature is its crisp striker-fired trigger, with a short, tactile reset, ensuring consistent and precise shots. With a durable polymer frame and a long sight radius, the P10F is an excellent choice for home defense and range shooting. Number 2. CZ P10C. For those looking for a compact, striker-fired pistol with CZ's renowned reliability, the CZ P10C delivers. Weighing 26 ounces, it strikes a perfect balance between lightweight carry and solid performance. With an overall length of 7.3 inches, it's small enough for concealed carry but still offers a full grip. The grip texture ensures a secure hold, while the undercut trigger guard improves control for fast follow-up shots. One of its key highlights is the crisp, responsive trigger with a short reset, enhancing shot consistency. Chambered in 9mm with a 15+1 capacity, the P10C is a strong contender for everyday carry, home defense, and range shooting. Number 1. CZ75. A legendary name in handguns, the CZ75 is known for its durability and precision. Its full-sized steel frame weighs 35 ounces, helping to reduce recoil and make follow-up shots smoother. With an 8.1-inch overall length and a 4.6-inch barrel, the CZ75 provides a comfortable shooting experience with impressive accuracy. One of its standout features is the double-action Dutch single-action trigger, offering a smooth initial pull and a crisp, responsive break. The slide-in-frame design lowers the bore axis, resulting in better accuracy and reduced muzzle rise. Chambered in 9mm with a 16+1 round capacity, this pistol is well-suited for both range use and self-defense. That wraps up our list of the best CZ pistols. Each of these models offers something unique, whether it's enhanced accuracy, a comfortable grip, or a compact design for easy carry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more firearm content. Let us know in the comments which CZ model is your favorite. Thanks for watching.